Alright, yeah, I know. We have another EST speaker strobe. But this time it's in red. And it has fire lettering. And for those wondering, it's a G4RF-S7VM. I just read it off a piece of paper. Had it written down. So, without further ado, here we go. What candela did I have this set to? I must have had this set to 110 at this point. Oh, whatever. And that's it. I'm kind of getting blinded by now. And to activate it with the pulse station, the pulse station we'll be using is a 270A SPO. I've explained this thousands of times. This has the pigtails as opposed to the normal screw terminals. I readjusted it to 15 candela so it's not blinding me. Reset it. Whoops. Now to the speaker part of the test. Now we will be testing the speaker part of the alarm. First we have the firelight message. I would be testing this alarm with an EST message, however I don't have one at my disposal right now. So let's play it.
May I have your attention, please? May I have your attention, please? The signal you have just heard indicates a report of a fire in this building. Please proceed to the nearest exit and leave the building. Do not re-enter the building unless directed to do so by the proper authorities.
Now let's play the silent night message, if it wants to load.
Attention please, there has been a report of an emergency. Proceed calmly to the nearest exit and leave the building immediately. Do not use the elevators. Use stairwells where necessary. All handicapped occupants shall use the building evacuation plan.
Now if I can find it, we'll use the simplex message now. As we all know, simplex is awesome. It's not that loud because I have a transformer.
Attention, attention, attention. An emergency has been reported. All occupants walk to the nearest stairway exit and walk down to your assigned re-entry floor or main lobby. Do not use the elevator. Walk to the nearest stairway. Do not use the elevator. Walk to the nearest stairway. Attention, attention, attention.
I'll stop it
An
after
emergency
this
has been
one.
reported. All occupants walk to the nearest stairway exit and walk down to your assigned re-entry floor or main lobby. Do not use the elevator. Walk to the nearest stairway. Do not use the elevator. Walk to the nearest stairway.
And now let's cut to the strobe part of the test, whatever. Alright, now I have the strobe going, so let's activate it.
Attention, attention, attention. An emergency has been reported. All occupants walk to the nearest stairway exit and walk down to your assigned re-entry floor or main lobby. Do not use the elevator. Walk to the nearest stairway. Do not use the elevator. Walk to the nearest stairway. Attention, attention, attention. An emergency has been reported. All occupants walk to the nearest stairway exit and walk down
I'll
to
let it
your
go
assigned re-entry
one more
floor
round.
or main lobby. Do not use the elevator. Walk to the nearest stairway. Do not use the elevator. Walk to the nearest stairway. Attention, Attention. An emergency has been reported. All occupants walk to the nearest stairway exit and walk down to your assigned re-entry floor or main lobby. Do not use the elevator. Walk to the nearest stairway. Do not use the elevator. Walk to the nearest stairway.
And that's pretty much it.